Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to wish everyone a very happy Gudi Padwa and a very happy New Year. Secondly, I want to say hello and thank you to my new subscribers who have recently subscribed. Thanks a lot guys. Your comments, likes and views really mean a lot to me. So today's video is based on a Miracle foundation. It is the one which we all must have used during our college days, which is probably one of the cheapest and one of the oldest foundation from Lakme, India. I really like this foundation and I was using this for around 3 to 4 years regularly until I discovered my new foundation. So I have two shades in this foundation. One is in the shade Pearl and one is in the shade Marble. So I'll just show you the shade. Just a sec. So this is the shade Natural Pearl and this is the shade Natural Marble. There are two more shades in this range. They are called as Shell and one is called as Coral or something. They are a bit darker for my skin tone, so I normally use these two shades. The price is really affordable guys. This is just for rupees 120 for each. I brought this from a local market here in Goa, but I'm sure you will find it easily on Flipkart and Nykaa.com. I will leave a link in the description box if at all you all want to check it out. Now let us talk about the packaging. It comes in a simple glass bottle. As you can see, it is very compact, which is very small in size and with a maroon sort of screw cap. So this is very travel friendly guys. In case you all are wondering if you can travel with this foundation, then yes, this is quite travel friendly. Now the texture of the foundation is very light and it is really blendable guys. It really glides on your skin very nicely, but it does leave a white cast on your face. It shows a white reflection on in photographs, etc. A very little amount of product is enough for the entire face. So I just use one dollop of this product and it is enough for my entire face and neck. The shade Pearl is the lightest in this range, and I think it has kind of a pink undertone to it. So people with a more pinkish sort of undertone, it really suits them well. And the shade Natural Marble is a bit darker than Pearl, and it has a somewhat yellow undertone. So the people with yellow undertone, this shade will really suit them a lot. These both shades work on me, so I use both the shades alternatively. So now I will just swatch these both shades on my hand, and you guys tell me which shade suits me better. So this is how both the shades look like on my hand. This is the shade Pearl and this is the shade Marble. They do not make much difference, as I have already told you, and you can just see the blendability of the foundation. It is so blendable. So I'll just blend both the shades together. So this is the finish of the foundation. Now you guys can really comment in the comments bar and tell me which shade suits me better. I will be waiting for your comments guys. So now we will talk about the overall pros and cons of this Miracle foundation. The pros are it is quite cheap guys. Just for 120 rupees you get a good amount of product. This is easily available. This is one of the oldest foundations from Lakme, India, and the texture of the foundation is very light. As you have already seen on my hand, it is very blendable. You can even blend it with a sponge or even your fingers. It is that blendable guys. Now the cons of the foundation are it leaves a white cast, as I have already mentioned earlier, and this foundation is not waterproof guys. This is non-waterproof. So that's all for my Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Show us some love guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.